Hey guys, what's going on? Tech Surgeon here. I just wanted to show you this tool situation here. So, got here the Fluke Intellitone Pro 200, the Pro, all right, end of it, and look at here. No action, no function. I see that I have a little gap in between yellow and gray there, and so it must have taken some damage. I haven't dropped it, it's just been in my bag. I also changed the battery as many times. It'll act a little weak, and then you change the battery, it's just fine. But nope, another one bites the dust. This is a very good, very accurate probe for phone and networks, and this happens far too often. This is probably number 5 or 6 that has done this, and that's why I'm switching away. You may say, hey, what's that other stuff you're using? Well, now you see why. All right, I'll see you on another one.